Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm going to start with my lips, and these are the things I'll be using. These four things: lip gloss, like kind of light pink, and like a nude lip gloss that is matte, and a wine, like brown wine kind of lip gloss is matte as well, and eye pencil which is brown. So the first thing I usually do is to prep my lips with a balm, and then I go in with this one. So I'm going to use just a little bit because it's highly pigmented. I'm using natural light, and then I'm going to cover it with the dark brown pencil. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do now. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find something of value in it today. So thank you. Let's continue. My routine today is kind of different from what I'm used to doing, and so we are just going to roll with it. Okay, so this is Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession, and I'm going to be using the dark side, the dark shade for the outer corner of my eyelid. So I'm still going to use the Toffee LA Pro concealer for the base of my eyelid. Using this shade. So then I'll blend, and I'll go in again with the dark shade I used earlier on, just to blend everything to look flawless. Now I'm done with the eyeshadow. So for super flawless look, next thing is to conceal the marks on the face, and this is where I have the mark. For my foundation, the Sacha foundation I use, which I love because it's light and it covers flawlessly, lightly but flawlessly. The only thing with this foundation is that you're going to have a neutral undertone, which I don't really have. I have like yellow undertone. If you look like at the lower part of my skin is of yellow undertone. So what I usually do with this beige, that is my shade, is to mix a little bit of the classic foundation that I have. What I like to do is take a little of the foundation that I have that has yellow undertone. I don't normally use it. I don't really like this one because it's prim and it covers so heavily, which I usually don't like. So I'm taking just a little of it, okay, and adding the beige color foundation in Sacha foundation. I'm going to be mixing it together. I'm just going to be using my hand to mix it, then I'll use it to cover up my face. So I'm going to be using the puff to blend it out. So for the foundation to sit in better, I'm going to mop it up a bit and make it to look more matte. I will do the highlight now with the mixture of Toffee of LA Pro concealer and that foundation with yellow undertone, just a little bit. So I'm just going to set the under eye with a loose powder that is light in order to brighten up the under eye. I'm going to be using a pressed powder that has like the same shade with this side of my face. So the next thing is to do the bronzing. This side of the face is a bit dark, this side, so we're going to like bring it back to focus, right? Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.